Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MTN data transfer. And in today's video, I will show you how to transfer MTN data from one MTN line to another MTN user from your data balance without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. Then go ahead and dial *777# and hit on send. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and type 6, then hit on send. Go ahead and click on here again, type 2, hit on send. Go ahead and click on here, type 1, hit on send. Go ahead and click on here, type 1, hit on send. And go ahead and enter the MTN number. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on send. Then select amount of data you want to transfer. Maximum daily transfer is 5 gig. This depends on the package you are in your MTN line. So I'm going to go ahead and hit 7. Then that is about 5 gig. Then go ahead and hit on send. And this is going to pump up. Please confirm you want to transfer 5 gig from your data bundle to this number. Go ahead and click on here and enter 1, then hit on send. And you have gifted 5 gig to this particular number in MTN. You can receive you can see a notification from MTN as well. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.